In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys new Fiverr affiliate service that you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. This will be unique and specific service that people are searching for on Pinterest. So if you start promoting this service on Pinterest from today, I'm sure you can get commission and you can start making money with Fiverr affiliate. So I was promoting this service. This was from one of my affiliate services that I was promoting on Pinterest. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you this service. Okay. So as you can see over here, I made $245 just using free traffic promoting Fiverr affiliate links. And as you can see in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account and it's paid over here as you can see. Okay, so for beginners who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Okay, so just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next is you can scroll down and you can click over here on see commission and you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, they are paying really a good money for their affiliate services. Okay, some services can get up to $150 as you can see over here. Okay, it's for Fiverr CPA, it's up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If just one person buy an affiliate service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. So how you can join Fiverr affiliate? You just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password and account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here and you need to choose your country, choose your language and put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, just click on next, follow next few steps and that's it. It's really easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to go back. What you need to do is you need to go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr home page. Now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So click over here on the search and search for Amazon. Okay, search for Amazon products photo. Okay, search for Amazon products photo. Okay, like this. Because there are a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote Amazon products. Okay, so they will be interested to design their Amazon product image. Okay, so they will be interested to use this service. Okay, that's why I choose this service. Okay, so I want you to pay attention. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has good reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one I will do Amazon product photography editing. This one is level 2 seller. He has almost 5 stars, a lot of reviews. Selling this service just for $10. I will click on his service like this and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see, like this. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put your this seller profile link here, and click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here, and you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. And choose business account, not personal account. Make sure to choose business account. So this will be your home page. Click over here on home feed, and you can see over here create. Click on create pin. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. So what you need to do next is you need to go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down and click on his picture like this. You need to upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, so just click on his picture. I'm gonna click double click and click on okay, let me see. So you just need to upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, so let me double click on the picture. Just double click on save image like this, and I'm gonna name it, for example, Amazon. Save. Then go back to Pinterest, click over here on this icon over here, and upload your picture. Okay, this is the picture. Open, and here you go. So what you need to do next is you need to put title here, description, and your affiliate link. So I will put my affiliate link here. This is my affiliate link. So we need now title. Let's go back to this seller page on Fiverr, and you can copy his title. Okay, so just copy his title, go to Pinterest, click on here and put this title over here, description. Go back to the seller page, scroll down, you can see over here about this gig. Okay, this is his description. Yeah. So you just need to copy his description and go back to Pinterest and put this description over here. Then scroll down. Okay, you need to choose a board, click over here and click on create a board. It's easy and simple, just give it a name and that's it. I already have this, so I'm gonna choose this Fiverr affiliate. Scroll down, you need to put tag here that will be related to this service. So you can do this, go back to this seller page, scroll down, keep scrolling down. Okay, so just scroll down, you can see over here related tag. Okay, so what you will do is you will copy his tag. Okay, copy this one, go to Pinterest and put your tags here. Okay, like this, easy and simple. Okay, so after you finish, click over here on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. Okay, it's really easy and simple, as you can see. And here you go, this is your title, your affiliate link over here, your title, description, and that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links, specific services on Pinterest. So you should start promoting this service. Also, you cannot promote just one service, you need to promote a lot of services every day on Pinterest, so your chance to get commission will be high. You cannot just promote one service and wait, you need to promote a lot of services. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.